Mutton biryani is not just a dish, it is a celebration on a plate. It is a story told through layers of fragrant rice, succulent mutton, and a symphony of spices. With a little guidance and a lot of heart, you can create restaurant-quality mutton biryani in your own kitchen. Let's embark on this culinary journey together. Before we begin our masterpiece, we must gather our colors, our ingredients. 1 kilogram of bone-in mutton, cut into medium pieces. Thick yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, and biryani masala. Massage the marinade into every piece, then refrigerate for 4-6 hours. Fry sliced onions until golden and crispy. This is our flavor foundation. Brown the marinated mutton with crispy onions and fresh herbs. 500 grams of premium basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes. Cook in spiced salted water until 70% done, 6 to 7 minutes. The art of layering begins. Spread the mutton curry as your foundation. Layer the rice, then sprinkle fried onions, mint, and coriander. Drizzle saffron milk and rose water for that royal touch. Seal completely for the magical dum cooking process. Cook on high for 5 minutes, then lowest heat for 25 minutes. The anticipation is part of the experience. When you break the seal, you'll be greeted by a cloud of fragrant steam and perfect biryani. Fragrant rice, tender mutton, and a symphony of spices in perfect harmony. Making biryani at home creates an event, a celebration that brings pure joy. Every bite tells the story of love and effort. This is your homemade masterpiece.